Watch it pass by, every breath of hesitation. Try to find my way to perfect presentations. Cause I get so damn nostalgic, caught up in a chase for what once wasn't. Seaside streets are a worthy distraction, a coastal retreat with no further call to action. And as sunset bleeds into focus, we embrace the vibrance of the summer solstice. Sea salt seas and New England breezes, can we escape reality for the weekend? We could stay until night and watch the sunset as if this is our life. Like this is all we know, and we'll stay glowing, watching the honey crystal ocean. Stray aside with no particular objectives, wasting time or unlocking new perspectives. Lie on the beach and stare at the stars, hearing muffled sounds of bands through boardwalk bars. Picturesque scene cut like a screensaver, aquamarine, coral reef in the sun's glare. Stay till the sky is a marigold ceiling, let rays glide cascade into the evening. Sea salt seas and New England breezes, how about we just run it back and repeat it? We could stay until night and watch the sunset as if this is our life. Like this is all we know, and we'll stay glowing, watching the honey crystal ocean. Because we were the floater friends, we fit no category, so it only makes sense we finally write our story. Gotta own it, cause as of now we are golden. When the bleakness catches up, the Polaroids collecting dust, we'll stay holding on, we'll stay holding on.